And do you also know that southeast, or this region, or old eastern region, is any ship that is coming from outside Nigeria, first of all, passes southeast before it gets to Lagos. So if a ship is coming from London, it gets to southeast first before it gets to Lagos. The Atlantic Ocean, the ocean there, that it flows from here. Even the biggest part of that ocean is in this area, not even in Lagos. Where do we even start talking about marginalization of the Igbo man? There was a time there was a seaport at Calabar. There was a time the Port Harcourt Seaport was working. There was also a time that they have this other one, I think a Warri. And then I think the One port. So I think Port Harcourt, they have One, they have, is it 2 or 1 or whatever they have in that particular area. Now, were people that were doing shipping and forwarding agency business, many of them came down to Port Harcourt. They were working, they were happy. Suddenly, they now stopped. The Calabar port closed, the Port Harcourt port closed, and then they said, everybody now go to Lagos. Lagos is oversaturated. Recently, the president went to London, to UK, and we had negotiated that this plan. There was whether somebody else, the British or so, the government wanted to invest in Nigerian Seaport or whatever, and a huge sum of money was raised. And that was meant to be used for the Apapa and the Tinkan port, and possibly the other port that is in the Lekki area. Now, the Port Harcourt port was not mentioned. The Calabar port was not mentioned. The Warri port was not mentioned. Meanwhile, these are the area that services the people. Now, talking of marginalization, the greatest number of people that import goods from outside Nigeria are the Igbo people. Now, if you now have to import, it gets to Lagos. For you to bring a container from Lagos to this place, it takes more than 1 million naira.
Wow.
Not just that, just the cost of transportation. Because we live in a country that, one, the railway system is not working.
Yes.
And the waterways are also not working. So it has to be through the road. And anytime there's an increase in petroleum price of petroleum prices, the price of haulage increase.